Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will discuss about echo command in Linux. So in previously, we had discussed about man command, right? So in this class, we will discuss about echo command. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So as you see, this is my terminal. So I'll just zoom it and I'll write echo. So first of all, I want to tell echo is used to print something. Like if you want to print something, you have to use this Linux command echo. For example, I'll write echo and I am Iron Man. So now click on enter. See, whatever the text we have written here, we can print it by using echo command. Echo command. So I hope you understand why we have to use echo command. So to print anything, we will use echo command. So in echo, we will be having some options. So let's explore those options. So echo minus E, and I'll write hello, hello space world slash P and world slash P and world. So here slash B is used to remove the spaces in between the words. So slash P is used to remove the spaces in between the words, in the string. So we are having some space right here. To remove that, we will use slash P and click on enter. See the space is removed. The space is removed and we got the hello world. And we are having another thing is echo minus E, and I will use slash hello slash C world, right? Slash C. So slash C is useful to remove the words after it. Like we have written slash C, right? So after how many words are there, those words will be removed from the string. Those words will be removed from the string. So after slash C, what word we are having? The world is having, right? Word is having. This word will be removed and only hello will be printed. See, we got only hello. We got only hello, right? So slash B is used to remove the spaces and slash C is used to neglect the uh, neglect the beside word of slash C. Neglect the beside word of slash C. And we are having another option which is slash N, right? I hope you understand, all of you know slash N. So what slash N is? So to print on next line, we will use slash N. We will use slash N. So it will come on next line. The word will be come on the next line. See, we are having first line is hello and second line is word. Another thing is hyphen E, and we are having slash T. I hope you people can know the slash T also. It's a tab space. There, tab space. It will give some space. It will give the tab space. So it will give the tab space in between the words. See. So this is the tab space. This is the tab space. This is the tab space. So we are having the final option is hello. I will use slash R. Sorry, hello slash R, and I'll write world. So slash R will remove the front word. Slash R will remove the starting word. Like beside the left side will be removed, and slash C right side will be removed. I hope you understand. So click on enter. See, hello is removed and only world is printed on the output. So this is how we can use the echo command in Linux. So I hope you understand how to use the echo command. And if you have any doubts about echo command, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.